Hello and welcome. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover the trends shaping the future of gardening. In this video, we'll explore 5 key trends that are transforming gardens into havens of peace and beauty. From innovative techniques to sustainable practices, these trends will inspire you to create a garden that sparks joy and nurtures your connection with the natural world. So, are you ready to uncover the secrets to a thriving and joyful garden? Let's begin.
Just like when you carefully fold your clothes to maximize space, vertical gardens allow you to make the most of your outdoor area. Imagine a cascade of vibrant flowers climbing your walls, a tapestry of herbs scenting your balcony, or a tower of succulent greens adding a touch of life to a small patio. Vertical gardens are not just about maximizing space, they're about creating a visual masterpiece. Feel the satisfaction of harvesting fresh herbs from your very own vertical garden, their intoxicating aromas filling your kitchen. But the beauty of vertical gardens extends beyond aesthetics. They can help insulate your home, reducing energy consumption and promoting sustainability. They can also act as natural air purifiers, creating a healthier and more vibrant living environment. Creating a vertical garden allows you to infuse your space with life and beauty, no matter how small. Picture yourself tending to your vertical garden, each plant carefully chosen and lovingly placed. As you water your plants and feel the soil between your fingers, you're not just gardening, you're engaging in a mindful practice that brings peace and serenity to your day. The joy of a vertical garden lies not just in the final result, but also in the process of creation. It's about selecting the perfect plants, each one sparking a sense of joy and anticipation. So, embrace the vertical gardening trend and discover the joy of creating a green oasis that reaches new heights. Let your creativity bloom as you transform your walls and fences into vibrant tapestries of life.
Imagine a garden that not only brings you joy, but also contributes to a healthier planet. Sustainable gardening is about making conscious choices that benefit both your garden and the environment. It's about creating a harmonious relationship with nature, where every action is taken with care and consideration. Just like decluttering your home allows you to appreciate your belongings more fully, sustainable gardening practices encourage you to cherish and respect the resources you use. One of the key principles of sustainable gardening is composting. Imagine transforming your kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost that nourishes your plants. Another essential aspect of sustainable gardening is water conservation. By implementing simple techniques like rainwater harvesting, you can reduce your reliance on municipal water supplies and provide your plants with the purest form of hydration. Choosing native plants is another powerful way to create a sustainable garden. Native plants are adapted to the local climate and soil conditions, requiring less water and maintenance than non-native species. They also provide food and shelter for local wildlife, enhancing biodiversity and creating a thriving ecosystem in your backyard. Sustainable gardening allows you to create a space that not only brings you joy, but also supports the delicate balance of nature. By embracing sustainable gardening practices, you're not just growing plants, you're cultivating a deeper connection with the natural world. So, embrace the principles of sustainable gardening and experience the profound satisfaction of creating a garden that is both beautiful and environmentally responsible. Let your garden be a testament to your commitment to a greener future, a place where joy and sustainability bloom side by side.
Imagine stepping into your home and being greeted by the vibrant green of a thriving indoor garden. Indoor gardening is like bringing a piece of nature's tranquility into the heart of your living space. It's about surrounding yourself with life, even when you're indoors. Just as you carefully select items that spark joy in your home, choose plants that bring you happiness and enhance your well-being. Whether it's a collection of air-purifying plants, a windowsill herb garden, or a statement-making indoor tree, let your personality shine through your plant choices. Indoor gardening is not limited to those with spacious homes. Even a small apartment can be transformed with a few well-placed plants. Vertical gardens, hanging planters, and window boxes are all creative solutions for maximizing space and bringing the outdoors in. Beyond the home, urban gardening is transforming cityscapes into greener, more livable spaces. Community gardens are bringing people together, fostering a sense of community, and providing access to fresh, healthy food. Rooftop gardens are transforming unused spaces into vibrant oases, providing respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. So embrace the trend of indoor and urban gardening and discover the joy of creating green escapes in the most unexpected of places.
Imagine stepping into your garden and being greeted not only by the beauty of flowers, but also by the bounty of fresh, delicious food. Edible landscaping is about blurring the lines between ornamental and edible plants, creating a garden that is both visually stunning and incredibly productive. Just as you carefully arrange items in your home to create a harmonious and functional space, edible landscaping is about thoughtfully integrating edible plants into your existing landscape design. Imagine the joy of harvesting your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs, their flavors enhanced by the love and care you've poured into your garden. It's about reconnecting with the source of your food and appreciating the abundance of nature. Edible landscaping is not just about practicality. It's about creating a garden that engages all your senses. Imagine the sweet scent of strawberries ripening in the sun, the vibrant colours of Swiss chard and kale, adding visual interest to your flower beds, and the refreshing taste of mint leaves, plucked fresh from your garden path. Imagine the satisfaction of creating delicious meals with ingredients sourced directly from your backyard. Edible landscaping allows you to maximize your garden's potential, transforming it into a source of both beauty and sustenance. It's about creating a sustainable and self-sufficient lifestyle, one delicious harvest at a time. From fruit trees espaliered against walls to herbs cascading from hanging baskets, the possibilities for edible landscaping are endless. So, embrace the trend of edible landscaping and discover the joy of creating a garden that is both a feast for the eyes and a source of delicious, homegrown abundance.
Imagine a world where technology helps you create a thriving and joyful garden. Just as technology has simplified our lives in countless ways, it's now transforming the way we garden, making it more efficient, accessible, and enjoyable. Think of technology as a helpful tool that assists you in creating your dream garden, much like the KonMari method helps you organize your belongings. It's about using innovation to enhance your gardening experience and achieve the best possible results. Smart irrigation systems are revolutionizing the way we water our plants. Imagine a system that automatically adjusts watering schedules based on real-time weather conditions and soil moisture levels. It's like having a personal gardener ensuring your plants receive the perfect amount of hydration, even when you're away. Gardening apps are putting a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. Imagine an app that helps you identify plants, diagnose problems, and receive personalized gardening advice. Automated tools are taking the hard work out of gardening. Imagine robotic lawnmowers that effortlessly maintain your lawn, leaving you more time to relax and enjoy your outdoor space. Technology is also helping us understand our gardens on a deeper level. Soil sensors can provide valuable insights into nutrient levels, pH balance, and other important factors affecting plant health. So, embrace the trend of technology in gardening and discover the ways innovation can help you create a garden that sparks joy and thrives for years to come.
As we've explored these transformative trends, I hope you've been inspired to create a garden that sparks joy and reflects your unique connection with nature. Remember, gardening is a journey of growth, discovery, and connection. So, go forth and create a garden that fills you with joy, a sanctuary where you can connect with nature, cultivate beauty, and watch your dreams blossom. Happy gardening!